this is Andrea here.
And the other Andrea, hello.
Woo-hoo. Tim is in the house, y'all, but he's being quiet.
As usual.
We have a special kit today.
Yes, first off, before you show it, this is a spoiler video for the August mystery kit. If you do not want to be spoiled, please do not watch the video. If you do want to be spoiled, continue on and watch the video.
Yeah.
So here we go.
Spoiler alert, August mystery kit.
Yes.
Booyah. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't she lovely? I love the full boxes. You get 8 full boxes.
8 full boxes. 8 full ombre check boxes. A bunch of half boxes and quarter boxes and your weekend banner. All of your headers, little things, icons, and trackers. Your date covers, your appointment labels, your checklist and washi.
Then you get
Your glitter headers.
Then you get
A deco sheet, which I do not have in any of my kits. Deco sheets are exclusive to the mystery kits.
Love, love, love the deco sheet. Look how fun all this stuff is, you guys. So much fun. So, I'm using it on August 5th through the 11th.
In our classic happy planner.
And this is already available?
Yes, it's already available, and it's available for both the classic happy planner and the Erin Condren.
Awesome.
Yes. And it's also available in light skin or dark skin.
Yeah, you can get the little girl colored any color you want her to be.
Yeah.
And her too.
Yes, that's the same color.
Yeah. What are we gonna start? Let's do our washi. There's a big birthday party going on at the park, you guys. That's why my dog is barking so much. I do apologize.
The people are rather boisterous today.
Yeah.
That's the nice way of putting it.
A bunch of itty bitty babies going wild.
And a bunch of older babies going crazy.
Wild. Hey. Random barker, you. So, what made you come up with the mystery kit? I know you used to do them back in the day.
Yeah, mainly it was because I used to do them back in the day. I used to do them in my old shop, Bows and Brains, a couple of years back, and people tended to like them, so I figured that I'd start it back up and see what happens.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So you brought it back.
Yes.
Jimmy.
Oh.
So tell me about this new purse you found out about.
I love to go to Hot Topic, whether it be online or in store, though I prefer online. And if you've ever seen the movies, the original movie It, Stephen King's It, or the new version, they have a purse in the shape of Georgie's paper boat, and it says SS Georgie on it, and it's got a red balloon charm that says "You'll float too." I have to get this purse. It's a crossbody bag, and I have to get it. It is adorable and messed up all at once.
Yeah, that's so messed up. What happened to Georgie was so messed up.
That was terrible, but the purse looks so fun.
It disturbed me what happened to that little boy.
Yeah. Purse still looks cool.
Yay for the purse.
Yes.
So is it white like the boat was?
Oh yeah, it looks just like a paper boat.
Wow. It's amazing what they make out of movies, you know, like little purses and stuff like that.
Yeah, I think it's really cool. It's fun.
Yeah. This says, it's fall, y'all. That's going to go up in the corner.
And guess what? It's almost fall, y'all.
Yep. Can you believe it?
I'm thankful.
Yeah.
Because summer's been bad. This is one of the worst summers we've had, I think.
Yeah, I have to agree with you on that. I really do, because it's pretty hot.
Yes.
100 degrees every single day, over 100 degrees.
And then rain every other day with really high humidity and still 100 degrees.
Yeah. It's like living in St. Louis all over again.
Sadly. Except for we don't have the... Well, no. Did we have mountains out there?
No,
No.
it's all
But we
flat.
had a lot of green.
Yeah, they got
A lot of
hills.
forests. The hills were alive in St. Louis.
Yeah, at the sound of music.
Yeah. With the sun.
Yeah, not at it,
No.
with it. At the sound of music.
Mom's own rendition.
This one says, hello, Autumn.
Which is the name of the kit. The theme. Hello, Autumn. The kit theme. Friend kit. How many times can I say that word?
Kit theme, kit theme.
Kit.
Kit, kit.
Kit Kat. I want chocolate.
She wants chocolate, y'all.
Yep.
My boys are being so bad right now.
We're talking up a storm.
Just as soon as we turn on the camera. Before the camera, y'all, they were all like,
They were dead
we're not
silent.
saying nothing.
They were dead silent. And now it's like, oh, the camera's on. It's time to act a fool.
Yep. Act a fool.
Act a fool. That
Act a
sounds-
fool.
If you say it fast, it sounds like a brand for like gym clothing.
Or acne medicine.
Act a fool. Oh, true.
Yeah. Act a fool. This will take care of your acne. Act a fool.
Well, that's pretty so far.
Yeah, I like it.
Oh, there goes that color blocking we love.
Oh, I didn't even realize that's what I did.
Oh, how funny, really?
Mm-mm. I just pulled it off.
Huh.
Just like that.
Because it's right in the right...
It sure is.
yeah. Nice.
Yeah.
Well, now you have to.
Yeah. Nope.
Nope. Yeah, nope.
Here we go.
Where's my glitter?
Where's my glitter, man? Let's put
Glitter.
chocolate on top.
Yes. It's such a pretty color. I think my favorite is the peachy color one.
Yeah. I like the blush as well.
Yeah. Peachy, blushy, light orange color. I'm just gonna call it everything it's not.
Most of you know that we live in New Mexico, and we're about 40 minutes away from El Paso. I'd just like for everyone to say a little prayer for all of our El Pasoans who got hurt in the mass shooting. And say a prayer for their family so that they can heal. There's too many that died.
It's always too many. One is too many.
One is too many, yeah.
Jim agrees. It's pretty.
I like that. Then I want to do my line here and my line here. So we'll do orange in the middle.
That boy.
Jimmy!
You're gonna make yourself sick. Poor little dog barks so much he goes into little coughing fits afterwards.
Yeah. Like he has something stuck in his throat.
When in reality, he's irritated it so much from coughing. That's what's happening.
And the barking, yeah.
Yeah, I did say coughing, didn't I?
But it's both.
Yeah. I knew what I meant to say.
You had it in your head.
It was right in my head, it just didn't speak out correctly. Oh, I like that.
Thank you. Then I'm going to do gold at the bottom.
Oh, so the blush is the side?
Yeah.
Okay. We still have a sale going on in the shop. It is 20% off of $20. If you even heard that. 20% off of $20, and there's no code needed. And that's on the whole shop.
That's awesome. Here.
Nice.
I love it. It does. It really does. I love it. Alright, so I want to put a pill tracker, or a tracker I should say, but I'm going to use it for pills because I'm a drug addict. No, I'm just kidding.
Oh my God.
Did I take my crack today?
Oh.
Just playing. So we'll leave that there. Then I have to do
In blush.
here. I'm leaving myself some white space.
Oh my gosh, she's doing it again, y'all. This white space thing with Mom is really, really weird for me. If you've followed her channel since the beginning, you know she barely does white space. And I wonder when they started doing the images on the bottom.
I don't know.
That's weird.
It's weird. I'm gonna put this box on top of it though.
Yeah, it don't match anything.
It don't match nothing. I don't know if this will work. Yeah.
There you go. Good.
Then it gives me a little space here.
The deco.
Yeah. But
Or a half box and deco.
yeah.
Because deco!
We must have deco.
Yes. And it's fun. It's fun to decorate afterwards with the little pieces.
That's another reason why I left some white space.
Okay, that makes sense.
So I can use my deco. Put my little pumpkin over here. Oh, and I love this wreath that you made.
Thank you.
Because you know I'm the wreath queen when it comes to our house.
Yeah, Mom always makes wreaths for every holiday we have, and they're really pretty. She doesn't sell them though, so I'm always surprised because they're pretty enough to sell.
Aw, thank you.
Love that.
That's cute, huh?
Yes.
See, let's put her down on the corner.
And you should put leaves around her because she's playing in leaves.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Smart.
Thank you.
We're gonna put leaves around her. She threw them up in the air.
Yes. Oh my goodness, baby.
I love this deco sheet.
It came out really nice. I was really happy about it. I almost said I was really happy for it. I was really happy it came out pretty for itself. What?
What?
It's literally how I said it. That was weird. Oh, that's cute.
It's cute.
have the...
There.
Nice.
And I like these gourds.
They're gorgeous.
Yeah.
The gourds are gorgeous.
Sometimes you have to leave yourself some white space to have a little fun with your deco.
Exactly. And then you can write around it too if you have any plans that day.
That's true.
I just made a bad pun and it was very disapproved by the boyfriend. He's laughing silently and shaking his head.
Ooh, I'm almost done with my deco.
Oh no, the fun is almost over?
Almost.
No, the fun must continue. Forever. Forever. Aw. There it
All done with
goes.
my deco, y'all. It's all done.
So sad.
I love it.
It's really pretty.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video and the mystery kit unveiled.
Yes.
If you did, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Have a great one. Bye.
Bye guys.